Welcome to our course, Doing Math in Python, and in this part of our course, we're going to learn how to convert strings to mathematical expressions. The question that would come to mind would be, why is it that we need to convert a string to a certain mathematical expression? So in most cases, we just input certain expression into the program, knowing that this could automatically be converted into an input integer into our expression or program, and that won't work sometimes. And with that, we need to have a more general program that could manipulate any expressions by a certain user. So what we need to do is that we are going to convert this user's input, which is a string, into something that can perform mathematical expressions. So in our previous lessons, we did that. We have these mathematical expressions, and using this expression, we can now do some manipulations, at least mathematically. To do that, here, what we are going to do first is that we are going to import simplify, and this simplify function or simplify package or module will be able to do the mathematical manipulation. So we are going now to execute this. And here, we have this expression, which is a variable, and we are going to enter a mathematical expression. So of course, this will depend on whatever mathematical expression that you have already prepared. So for us, we are going to go to this one. I have already prepared this. We will just copy this one, and we are going to execute this, and it asks to enter a mathematical expression, and we're going to paste that expression that we have copied. Okay, and now we're going to click enter, and this expression, mathematical expression, is already inputted. So now we are going to simplify, or we're going to use the simplify function to convert this input into a mathematical expression. So let's convert or press enter. Let's see what we have in here. And okay, we're going to have, so we would see what's really going on in here. All right, so as you could see, so we have this expression, x cubed plus x squared plus 5x. So where did we get 5x? So as you could see, this one 2x, and then 3x here is because they are similar expression. We add that 3 plus 2, that becomes 5, and then we just copy x. Okay, and this one x squared, x raised to the power of 2, this one, and then we have x raised to the power of 3, that becomes x cubed. We have in this case 2 being multiplied to this expression, expr in this case. So let's see what would be the result of this. Let's execute this one. Okay, so there you are. We multiply 2 to the number 1 of x cubed here, which is 1. It's a numerical variable. So that becomes 2x cubed. So 2 times 1x squared, that becomes 2x squared. We multiply 2 to 5x, and that becomes 10x. So that's how we do it. Do you want to know more about this channel? Just click these cards. We do have a lot of free data science courses for free, like Machine Learning Essentials, Deep Learning Mathematics, and a lot more. Here, you can always learn an upskill for free.